Scoreboard! Scoreboard! Oh, what happened to your friend? Hey, I know that guy. I killed him. He cried like a bitch. Vietnam, undefeated.
Bye, overzealous Asian kids lining up to be the first ones in school tomorrow.
Go away. No time to say bye. I pass you because you lose focus. Damn, lost focus. Life over.
Gentlemen, I give you the Asian. Ooh. Compact, hairless, and fiercely intelligent. The penises, while tiny, are extremely efficient. We're projecting 10 billion within 5 years. Also, there'll be different varieties that will all hate each other for some reason.
Do they eat just like regular food?
No, the opposite.
Scratch my pet rabbit Steven on his nose with your index finger? I like rats because you can pull their ears back and make them look like Asian people.
Give me Kaya! Give me Redis!
This is a universe where the United States never dropped the atomic bomb on Hiroshima, so the Japanese just never quit.
めっちゃん、ブスまたされてだよ
お父様の願いに従います。
俺がおならしただよ